what are the challenges that the developers face, and it's really comes down to the expectations that they have. The developers that work with microservices are accustomed to consuming cloud resources via standard APIs in a self-service manner. Typically, you talk to them, they'll talk about public cloud, and that's all they know. This is unlike your traditional IT, and it sometimes is conflicting with the nature of the business. I mentioned this. In some cases, applications cannot leave your data centers, whether it's for security reasons, regulatory reasons. On-premises environment is going to be necessary. Yeah, right. And this typically for developers requires creating tickets and creating getting IT to help out with instances and stuff, right? As organizations look to build out their infrastructure, they need to start thinking about cloud as a larger construct, not just the public cloud, but you got to think about private cloud, hybrid cloud, and such, right? What organizations now should be looking to do is replicate that public cloud experience so that their developers and IT admins can easily provision and scale object storage like storage features on demand. And the reason why I say object storage is that's literally the storage for the cloud, right? And when we talk about microservices, modern applications, the kind of storage that fits best with Kubernetes, with containers, is object storage. Extremely scalable. Typically, the best APIs to use is with these is S3. It is the language of the cloud, and so on. So you want to recreate similar kind of experiences within your data center while maintaining the granular visibility of storage capacity that's being consumed, not just for DevOps, but also to be able to deploy these, right? Hybrid cloud is going to be a key for all of us going forward, right? And for the IT operators, which is our next segment that we also consider, the challenge, right, is going to be in the ability and the capability to deliver these kind of new infrastructure as well as new application capabilities to their clients. Uh, they will see the benefits of having a single platform that can do modern apps and traditional apps. And this is going to be a change in mindset because your traditional IT infrastructure may not be able to do modern apps, and a completely public cloud infrastructure may not be able to handle everything that you want, right? Proliferation of IT stacks leads to poor productivity and increased security risks. So as much as consolidation as you can get is what you want. Uh, Rather than deploying modern stateful apps and services on bare metal to create another infrastructure silo, administration should be looking to unify storage and data platforms for modern and traditional apps on a single proven software defined platform. And this is what we talk about as the key challenges that IT operators will have to overcome, so to speak. And then finally, the executives, right? You always have to look at where the business priorities are. And for the executives, the business priority will come in to what is the most economical way of making sure that we are positioned for the present as well as the future, while not disrupting our existing business. So business continuity is going to be a key aspect for executives, along with the cost associated for modernizing your data infrastructure. And today, we are going to talk to you about how VMware and Cloudian come together to give you that path forward